that is.
You know?
Shoot, man. That might be it.
Right?
Yeah. That could very well be a tornado right there.
Yeah. Very, very hard to see. Very occluded.
There's some good motion in there. Damn, I wish it was a south road.
Is it just... Oh, no, look, it's retreating up. It's coming up. It's lifting up. You see?
Yeah. Oh, come on, be a break.
Oh, this would be the greatest break if this is a break from the hill. If it's there, and we're going to be able to see it, it's
Well,
going to be right here.
If it's not there, it'll be there soon. Oh, tornado!
Oh, yeah. Take it. All right.
Woo!
Update the report. Here we go.
Wow! We gotta stop.
I know, I got you. Here we go.
Right here. Holy cow!
Here, I gotta get the report.
Damn, man, we can't see too well. We go a little bit forward. Go a little bit forward.
Oh, wow. I want a picture in front of that.
Go back some. We had a much better view, or maybe forward.
How much?
Keep going until I tell you. There's a bit of a break. Keep going. The rain's about to wrap it.
Dude. Right here?
No, keep going. Just like up this, like
Dude, man, I got
half a mile.
report, man.
There you go. Right here.
Okay, go.
Holy cow.
Large funnel?
Yeah. Not too well, but it's still back in there. Tornado right there. You see it?
Yeah. Oh wow, second tornado. Woohoo! Right, Max, tornado.
1 sec! I know, my camera's wet. I'm doing it from my phone. You ready? Wow!
Oh my fucking god!
Wow! Look at that thing! Where's my GoPro? Holy cow. They might, people over there might not be able to see it. We might have the best vantage of this. It's lefting. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh my gosh! Oh wow! I can't wait to